So welcome. I will model this modeling: top view, front view, right side view, isometric view. So when it comes to drawing, you can capture. So you can capture this drawing. I will use this drawing. Alright, let's start. First, Mastercam. Open the new files and the front plane and draw a rectangle. Press A. W110. Height 60. Draw a center line. And offset 7, 27, 25, 48. So check the dimension first. 110, 7, 23, 25, 48, 60. Okay. Delete the dimensions and offset once again. (22) and 10. Check the dimension. 22, 10. Delete. Tangent arc here and the tangent arc here. Okay. The tangent arc, the option, first option, and the radius of 40. Select at this point and this one, and one more time. So radius value 30. Select and point this. Okay, done. And extend the line. I will extend. This option. Extend a little bit. Yes. So I don't need this line anymore. And I will draw an arc here. Draw arc. Radius 250. 2-point arc. Radius 250. This point. This point. Select this one. And not this one. This point. This point. One more time. This point and this point. Radius 250. Yes, it's done. And trim. And we don't need anymore these lines, and let's mirror this one and mirror. Okay, and trim once again. Option 2, and draw a circle here. R value 8 and draw a line once again, and trim. Option 3 and divide and divide, and option 2. Yes, it's done. I don't need. Check the dimension. 40, 30, 250, 80. Yes. Yes. Okay. Delete the dimension. Delete. And I will divide at this point. So option 2. And select this position and select. Enter. One more time and select. Select this point and select. Enter. Okay, it is divide at this point. Isometric view. Extrude. Opposite side 10. And one more time. Okay. Opposite side, and option is add boss, and approximately is 20 is good enough. And okay, let's change the level 10. Name it rectangle and invisible. It's one solid, and draft. First select these two face and enter, and bottom, and angle is 10. Okay, one more time. Select the fourth side, enter, and bottom. The angle is 5. Yes, good. And the front plane. So as I talk to you, so please check this option. And the graphic view is aligned with construction view. So if you change the graphic view, automatically construction plane changed according to the graphic view. So when you do a modeling, it is very good option. But when you make a toolpath, please make it off. Okay, and so even though in Korean, so I'm pretty sure you can understand. Okay, and front view, and offset, and 2D mode, not 3D mode, 2D mode, and 15. Isometric view, no, wireframe view, and once again, okay, check the dimension, 55, delete. Yes, 15. delete all dimension. Extend this line, and tangent arc, and center is here. Tangent arc, first option, radius, let me check, 200 to 00, and select, and this point, and yes, extend the line, and yes, it's done. Check the dimension. Yes, R 200. Delete. Yes, this one. And Alt E and show only. And tangent line, and at this point, and the plane, and normal plane with this tangent line, and position, XY position is important. So all the time the X positive, Y positive, this position, and OK, and name it sweep, because it's our make arc for sweep guideline. Okay, yes. As a center point here, and the sweep. Okay, and one thing more, and graphic view. So graphic view, select this option. Graphic view is aligned with construction view. Once more, and Alt E, show all the geometry, and so let me check. Yes, this position. Let me check. And I don't need, so it's quite complicated. And blank, make it blank, and select this option once more, and positioned here. And I will draw arc R 80. So hold arc and press Shift key and select this position, and write down the position, 0 minus 80. Radius 80. So at this point, yes, OK, and plane top view, and master view. Front view, yes, it must be square, so that's why I draw a tangent line, and just make it square. So I make a normal line to create the sweep guideline. Otherwise, and just it is not the exact sweep. Okay, and sweep, enter. Okay, done. Select these two lines and change the level 20, and this surface change the level 30. Okay, name it guide curve, and invisible sweep surface. Okay, so I will cut off by using this surface. So options are here, surface cut or sheet solid cut, and okay, done. I will offset this one, so I will cut away another part of this solid. So I will make another geometry on top of the this solid. So offset, surface, enter, and the value is 4. You can just change the opposite like this. Okay, I need this side 4. Okay, and change the level 40. Offset, surface. I change the color. Change the colors. Yes, my favorite color, purple. Okay, and invisible, so sweep surface, and invisible this one as well. So I will wireframe. So according to the maps, so this part is also extrude, and with the same draft angle. So I will extrude and just draft as well, and extrude. Yes, done. Distance, yes, 20 is good enough. Okay, and I don't need any more, and change the level. Level manager, solid curves, invisible, make it blank, and make the geometry visible, and draft. One more time, and this side 10. Yes, done. You almost finished, and visible offset surface, and the upper side of the will be cut by this offset surface. Enter. Yes, done. Invisible, level manager, invisible. Okay, so there is a shift here. So the position, reference point here, and x negative to 5, and y positive to 8. So the positions here, so y positive 20. So, okay, so first I will make a point here, then the CPU option ask me to select the center point. Okay, let's do it. Mastercam and top view and reference point here. So I'll make a point and press shift key, then type x negative 2.5 and 20, enter. Okay, and the wireframe, yes, check the dimension first. 25, 20. Okay, it's done. Delete and shift here and select this point and radius R value 8 and at this moment, you know, any position is it's okay, but this CPU according to the z-axis, it is the revolve, so the angle is 160 degree. Okay, yes, and make visible. It is a separate solid, so this one need to be combined with this is the main solid. So boolean and first select main solid and shift here, enter, and ask the option add, remove, common. Yes, add option. Okay, yes, the modeling is done. Only the fillet is left. Okay, when it comes to fillets, you must do it the big R value. So here's a 5, radius value 5 here. First off, only edge, select edge, this value 5. Okay, one more time, and all part is the 2. So first select this one. It's 2. Yes, and one more time, 2 here. So if you select at the both side and the Mastercam generate some error message, that's why I only select the one by one. And okay, select and radius 2. Yes, beautifully done. Okay, and bottoms 1, radius 1. Isometric view, top view, front, right, isometric view. Okay, then I will change the color, solid, and the colors are I wanted to do it. And as I talked to you before, color might be used to map out the certain tool paths. So in my case, I prefer just divide by the colors, some position, and bottom. This needs to be cut, and this bottom side is just the holder. So I wanted to make it separate. And model preparation, and change the color, and remove the set color, and I prefer this color. It looks like Katia. Yes, and later I will upload some this Katia modeling as well, but for the time being I will do Mastercam. Okay, great. Top view, front, right side view, isometric view. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.